Alright, so I have a little tougher question here. I have two brackets, so I have 4 square brackets, 2 round brackets, x minus 3, closing the round brackets, minus 5, closing the square brackets, equals 4x. So what you have to do is, remember your BEDMAS, you have to do the innermost brackets first. So these guys, these round brackets, are my innermost brackets. So I'm going to distribute that 2 first. So still write what's outside. Okay, now I'm going to open this bracket by distributing this 2. So I have 2 times by, technically there's a 1 there, so 2 times by 1x is just 2x. 2 times by negative 3, well that's negative 6. Then write, I just opened up this, I can't forget about what else is in that bracket, so I'm going to go subtract by 5, close my square brackets, equals 4x. Okay, so now I have the square brackets that I have to deal with. So look what's in the square brackets first before you start distributing. You could see here we have just these numbers, so we could combine these numbers, kind of clean up what's in the square brackets. So I'm going to have 4, 2x, I have negative 6 and negative 5. Negative 6, negative 5, well that's going to become negative 11. Close my square brackets, equals 4x. So that kind of cleans it up. Okay, now I've got to open my square brackets, and by doing that I have to distribute this 4. I'm going to times it by all of the things that are in the square brackets. Okay, so 4 times by 2x, well that's just 8x. And then 4 times by, remember, taking into account the negative, so 4 times by negative 11, well that's negative 44, equals 4x. Alright, so this we know how to do because we're going to bring over the letters to the left, numbers to the right. So I'm going to subtract by 4x here, that cancels out. Subtract by 4x here, and I'm just going to have 4x minus 44, and there's nothing here, so I'm just going to put a 0. But now I have to deal with this number. Number is on the right, so I'm going to add 44, add 44. This is gone. 4x equals to 44. Now I want to get rid of this 4 that's beside the x, so I'm going to divide by 4, divide by 4. This is gone. X then equals to 11. And there's my answer.